Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix the issue that your Wi-Fi isn't working on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. The first thing you have to do now is to go to the settings of on your device and now go to connections. When you're in the connections, tap Wi-Fi. Here, now in the Wi-Fi, disable Wi-Fi low. Now, after some 10-20 seconds, turn on the Wi-Fi back again to have the issue fixed. This should refer to Sense Wi-Fi module actually, and the issue should be fixed, as I said. If it still doesn't work, you need to now tap your current network that you are connected or just you have saved. Tap this gear icon near it, tap forget, and now your network should be forgotten. Now tap any other or just the same Wi-Fi network that you have available on the list and just enter the correct password for this network. Just repair, may not repair, but reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Connect. Don't change anything in the advanced settings, just leave it as it is. Now you should be connected. If you are, but you have here no internet, just disable, turn off the router and phone. Restart both things, and everything should be fine. If it still doesn't work, or you have connected right, or you just can't connect to your website, router, like the network, you have to now go back and scroll down here in the advanced normal settings to the software update. Check if you do have any updates. If you do, you have to update your phone immediately to have some latest features and fixes. If you don't, you need to now go to the HardReset service and have everything fixed. Apart from that, check if any other router works. If it works, if any other router works, that's nice. The issue is the router. But if no router work, and the issue is your phone, and you need to go to the HardReset service. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.